Hello mga televiewers, mga ka-TikTok na Poklat dyan, kamusta kayong lahat? Anyway, nandito na naman tayo. Pa-travel tayo ngayon. Alam niyo ba kung saan tayo pupunta? Eh di syempre, pupunta tayo sa magandang sinasabi nilang Atlantic Ocean ng Canada, which is Miramichi. So sa Miramichi, doon gaganapin ang Fiesta Extravaganza ngayong weekend. So 2 days ulit yan. At makakasama natin, alam niyo ba kung sino? Eh di syempre, ang kilabot ng mga kolehiyala sa Pilipinas, which is si pinakasikat na artista na si Ariel Rivera. So yan, mamaya makakasama natin siya. So ngayon, samahan niyo ako. Ngayon magandang weather, medyo maulan-ulan dito sa Toronto. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano meron. Yan, maulan-ulan siya pero okay naman siya, hindi naman matraffic. Most of the time kasi pag ganitong weather, matraffic yan, pero awan ng Diyos, okay siya. Maluwag ang kalsada. Standby lang kayo dyan. Stay tuned lang mga TikTokers ni Poklat. Subaybayan nyo until makarating tayo sa Miramichi. See ya. Yan, dito tayo ngayon sa airport na ng Philippine shop. Sa ilalim tayo ng tanong ngayon ng airport ng Philippine shop. Sa taas. Yan, makikita nyo ang Tora-Tora. Actually, itong airport na ito sa Philippine shop is a history din ng Canada to. Hindi ko lang masyadong kapisadong history, but it's a part of history also as well. Malit lang na airport to, Bali Island lang. So, I think it's a domestic lang only. Okay. Departure. Departure sa taas. So maraming mga Pilipino rito ng mga Toronto. Okay, we are here now, the departure. Ito naman. Miramichi, New Brunswick. So mag-check-in muna tayo rito, yeah, to get the board pass, yeah, dito sa port there. So dito na tayo sa baba. Hanapin natin ng gate 3. Pogi, nakasama ko.
Talaga naman si TikTok.
Tiklat. Kabayan na lang pogi kasama ko. Naka-jacket pa. Ayun na, diba? Kaya, dito tayo sa airplane. So, nakasakit tayo ng small plane na siya. Quarter. Hey, what's up? This is Jamal, my friend here besides me.
Yes, you're my good friend.
Yeah.
You're flying to Moncton. Good job. Please.
Yeah. It's a private plane. Yeah, it's small plane. Actually, this is my first time here. This airport.
You need to. This airport is my first flight.
Yeah.
I used to fly many times in this one, but this one is the first
Yeah.
time.
Is it better this one compared to the Hamilton Airport or Pearson?
No, Pearson is big.
Yeah,
it's very big. That's why they have a lot of big plane there.
Yeah.
But this one is beautiful. It's quiet and it's nice.
Yeah, very organized.
Very organized and very
Yeah.
respectful. People are kind. It's beautiful.
That's true. Yeah. So actually, Jamal is a lead here in Toronto. Yeah. What do you do, Jamal, anyway?
Duvalier, my name is Duvalier. I'm working for the Francophone community.
Okay.
Francophone, we are welcoming all the French people who are coming to Toronto. We are trying to help them about integration. And at this part time, I'm working on the radio. I'm a journalist. The French
Journalist?
radio, yes. The
You're
French
journalist?
radio, yes.
Actually. Oh,
The Soccer FM 105.1.
okay, I see.
I'm on the radio.
Actually, the reason why we're going to Moncton, New Brunswick, is because we have a Filipino piece.
Oh,
We call that Fiesta Extravaganza.
oh, that's
So
very
it's a
cool.
Filipino piece. So
The Filipino congregation have
yeah,
big events.
Yeah, big
Oh,
events.
in Moncton. Why
Yes,
not?
so-
I may come there. I'm gonna come there and try to come and enjoy with the Filipino
Sure.
community.
Actually, it's not really in Moncton. It's India, Miramichi.
Yeah,
Miramichi. So it's
Miramichi. Oh.
they save 2 hours travel.
yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, if you get a chance,
But
just
if I get the time, I'm gonna
Yeah.
try to go there just to enjoy it for 1 hour. It's
Yeah.
gonna be a pleasure to enjoy the Filipino community.
Yeah.
I love Filipino community.
yeah, thanks, man.
Ali, all
So
the best
anyway,
to all
Jamal,
community. Yes.
if you don't mind us, where is your originality?
Yeah, I'm journalist.
Oh,
I'm journalist for the radio. I'm working on the radio, on the French radio in Toronto, 105.1 in Toronto. I'm from the best country in the world, Cameroon. You know Cameroon?
yeah. Oh,
From Cameroon, in Central
Cameroon.
Africa.
Oh,
we, are
okay.
we are the best player in the world.
Wow.
Best soccer player.
so you love spicy?
Yes, a lot of spices.
Wow. I love too spicy.
A lot of spicy, yeah. We like spicy.
Okay. So let's see if Jamal can meet me there. And
Yeah, I will try. I will try to
and-
be there. I will
yeah.
try to be there for sure. I will try.
Oh, okay. It's nice to
Ali,
meet you, Jamal.
Pleasure.
Yeah, thanks. Ayan, kasama ko si Boss Bon, ang CEO ng Fiesta Extravaganza. Ayan naman ang poging-pogi. Bakit? Kasi nakasakay sa plano. Hindi daw nagka-travel ng Baisnan.
Kinakasal yung katabi ko. Swerte ko wala akong katabi kaya tinawag ko si Jen. Hindi ka dito ka.
Kailangan ng bodyguard ng pogi din.
Kaya masarap kaya. 2 hours. 2 hours ang biyahe namin. And then tonight we're gonna have a boat cruise.
And Angels.
Sumama
Angels.
dahil sa lobster.
Dahil sa lobster daw, kasama sila.
Last year kasama kasi sila. So this year we're expecting lobster, oysters, and scallops. So meron tayong Jerry cruise mamaya sa boat.
Wow.
Around 8:30 sa Atlantic sa Miramichi area.
Yes.
Under the bridge, yung sikat na lang bridge doon.
Wow.
And then tomorrow is our festival.
Wow.
So thank you sa host natin, Joy, Dolls, Jane, and the rest of the Miramichi Fiesta Extravaganza. We're gonna see you in a few hours, right?
Few hours, yeah.
We'll be there soon. And Team Extravaganza is on the way to eat your lobster. We're gonna help you finish your lobster.
Aside
Okay?
sa lobster, boss, ang bang compare sa ibang cities na iyan natin sa Miramichi, ano bang kinakaiba na ito na maging expectation ng mga tao na taga doon sa Miramichi?
Ang Miramichi kasi is unique kasi malalaki mga lobster doon. Tsaka, kumbaga, the word is abundant. Yung ibang Atlantic provinces, meron din, pero wala akong nakita kasi laki ng mga nandito sa Miramichi. Tsaka yung, ano niya, yung cultural representation niya, ang galing. Dumadayo ang Halifax, Nova Scotia, PEI, ang parts of New Brunswick, yung Moncton and Fredericton. Dumadayo sila to celebrate the fiesta. So, Miramichi Fiesta Extravaganza is becoming now a cultural hub for the Atlantic area because this is our first city and we take Miramichi over other cities, and maybe in the future we'll add more cities in the Atlantic region.
Yeah, and take note guys, ang after Fredericton and Moncton, hindi din nakalapit yung parang lumiyahan papuntang Miramichi.
2 hours.
Yes.
From Moncton is 2 hours. Fredericton yata is 3 hours.
Yeah.
Nova Scotia is 4 hours. PEI is 3 hours.
Wow.
So, nagbibiyahe sila para lang mag-attend dito sa Miramichi.
Yeah. Napakala. So, yan guys. Watch out. Stay tuned lang.
See you tomorrow.
See ya.
Thank you.
O ayan mga viewers, nandito na tayo sa airport ng Moncton. Karating ng Moncton.
Moncton o Moncton?
Moncton. Moncton?
Moncton.
So karating lang natin ngayon dito. Kalalapag lang. Ito, kami bababa na.
Naghahanap kami ng ano.
Makakatikim na kami ng lobster ulit.
Lobster na agad.
Lobster na agad. Oyster sauce. With oyster sauce.
2 hours yung flight namin.
Oyster sauce and cauliflowers. Yan mga yan.
Galing ng tribe, no?
Oh.
Video pala pag dinidikit sa ano natin.
Ayan ang mga nila. Oh. Galing na controller.
Galing. Sila nag-a-adjust.
Yeah. May harap din siguro ang license niyan, ha? Kasi kailangan matuto mo 3-pointer niyan.
Siguro $200 per hour.
Yan na, baba na kami. Nandun sa likod. Tingnan nyo. Extra. Packages. Washroom. Tingnan mo nga, napakalaking na airport. Wala katao-tao. Walang tao-tao kaya sobrang laki. Dito. Number 1. Or dito. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Departure. You know. Yeah. Yeah, festival. Yes. Jamal. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. sa McDonald's stopover. Kakain muna. Ayan ang ating mga kasama. Moncton. Oh, yan na. Oh.
Yan ang malupit na TikTok
so,
Pekla.
Si Pekla naging Pekla ng Pokla. Oh, ayan. Set up na kami dito sa Miramichi stage. Makikita mo dito sa stage. So, ayan, sinap ko na yung drums. Kita nyo. Yung drums na alit lang na amplifier nyo, guitar 1, pero malakas yan dahil gawa ng connected dyan sa mixer natin. And then meron tayong bass bukas, yan. Ayan, may mga monitor PA natin, so we're ready to go na bukas. Guitar na lang kulang para sa guitar 2. So yan, mga mic natin naka-set up na. So ayan na si Prof. Nagtitest na kami ng mga mic, yung mga monitors. Ayan natin yung VJ natin si Kuya Erwin, VJ Erwin. Ayan, so tomorrow it's gonna be fun and enjoyable. Yeah, so ito nyo, laki ng ano ng area ng Miramichi.
Yung 25 sir, wala na.
Okay, ayan, kakain na kami kasi tapos na kami mag-set up.
Yay!
Yay! Dito na, papunta na kami, pabalik na kami ng aming accommodation, and bukas ulit magkita-kita tayo sa first day ng Miramichi Extravaganza. Okay, see you guys.